My name is Austin Lito. I work for Tricam Industries. I'm the Director of Supply Chain for them. We manufacture all kinds of garden and building supplies, ladders, carts, wheelbarrows, things of that nature, primarily for Home Depot and other big box stores. It was driven off of a need to get better at forecasting and demand planning, and then also a tool that could be developed to incorporate the entire supply chain, which we knew was on the roadmap for them. And the biggest reason, honestly, and the biggest benefit that we've seen has been the support from StockIQ and their response to needs and changes and requests. So it's been good that way, and that's what we were hoping for. A lot of it is kind of in progress. We're a little newer with it. Been using it about a year, but still kind of working on configurations and setups and things of that nature. A lot of the newer developments and requests from us are just kind of being implemented now, which is really nice to see, and we're definitely intending to use them quite a bit. But we've certainly seen drastic reductions in our on-hand inventory, and just being able to plan further ahead and see what we're going to be looking for and what we're going to be looking at in terms of scenario planning and things like that. Absolutely, yeah. I mean, like I said, you can go with anyone and plug and play and get features that you need, but when you need something specific or custom, or want to get a better understanding, there isn't any better. I mean, you get a better response time, and requests are followed up on, and they have a backlog that's based almost 100% on customer feedback. So it's definitely highly recommended.